All right, Noah, I did it. I did it. Okay, I did it. I fucking did it. I did. I wrote a thing that whenever you roll, you hit the roll button, it returns a random statement. Okay, I did it. And the thing is, I got confused. All I needed when I was this morning, all I needed was this little stupid line of code. It was math.round, math.random, which I'll explain to you what it does. It gives me a random value between 1 and 0, and then it rounds it so that it becomes that a 1 or 0. But because if it between 1 or 0, it could be 0.5, 0.2. But what this does, it rounds to the nearest whole number. So that's all I needed for that stupid thing I was creating. And then I went home after church, proceeded to spend 2 hours creating this. So I'm going to talk about how it works. So this is how it works. First off, I just do it's a little more visual and not just logging shit to the console. I made a little HTML doc right here that basically turns a H1 tag, which you'll learn about maybe later, and it's a button that accepts 2 arguments, and I put our names in it, my name, your name, and you roll it, and it does a cool thing. So how that works is first, basically, you got a conditional statement that it checks to see if the number is equal to 1 from math.rand from this random value up here. If it's equal to 1, then it flames me. Hence the name of this whole function is flames or complement. So it flames me. It says I lick rocks, basically, or whoever. You could actually put in whoever's name in here to whoever licks rocks, and then whoever is complimented. But for now, we know who the most important people in the world are, and that's me and you. So I put myself and I put you. So first statement is the flame that is it's the diss. It says if this person licks rocks, and then the second one's the compliment. It says you the best, and it gives a little like sunglasses, bro. So then just because I was practicing another JavaScript concept of separating of concerns, which is you separate instead of writing one function that does everything, you write several functions that do separate things. I wrote another function that basically accepts 2 more arguments that one's the statement that what you wanted to say, and then the other one is the loading message that whenever you click the button, it does like a little loading animation or a little loading thing. So first statement, so accepts a statement, which is good. So it takes a statement and then it sets it equal to that this H1 right here, and basically inside these 2 tags is where that statement's going. And then there's a loading message which you can pass into. And now what I actually did something cool was I made a default argument. So so down here is where we are using the write statement function right here. And first we're passing in the statement message function as a high order function right here, which produces these 2 outcomes based on that random math number up here. So, but we can go in and we can add the optional argument, and we could do something like and the string, by the way, a string was what I'm typing right now is just words. A string is just words. That's all it is. So if we type in wait, you roll it, it says wait ... gives us our message. It's a 50-50 chance, and it looks like it's really up. Boom, there's the other message right there. It's because it chooses the JavaScript chooses 1 or 0, and that's what makes this happen. So roll it, gives us our message, and that message has about a 800 milliseconds timeout, which is 0.8. It's 0.8 of a second. So yeah, so it does that, and you roll it, and there you go. You get a random dumb message, and there you go. Like I did a thing. I felt bad because I couldn't do it on the spot, but I did it, and it was all because I couldn't find this stupid line of code that made me go just write a bunch of other code because I was trying to just go further and beyond with it. But there it is, Noah. There it is. Look, you're the best, okay? And I lick rocks. That's what you wanted to hear. I know it was what you hear. There it is! Yeah!